wanted to share an update on one of my pepper plants that I overwintered. As you notice here, it's actually covered with little micro-sized peppers. These are peppers that I didn't even realize were on this plant. I had some others that I was harvesting from another plant, and I would not have harvested these anyway because they're so tiny. But the thing is that if you look here and here, and there was another spot up here, there's blossoms on this pepper plant. So not only did it survive the winter temperatures that dipped down into the 20s in my mini greenhouse that was for the most part unheated, but it's ready to start producing peppers. This plant is going to be going into its second season, and I just want to encourage any of you who have a little bit of space, and you don't need a lot, because I have a little mini greenhouse and I did a video on that. I'll provide a link for it. You don't have to start over every growing season hoping that your seeds germinate and that you'll be able to have a successful harvest. If you have a plant and it's doing really well, try to do what you need to keep it healthy over the winter. I'm in zone 8A, and it was not a lot of effort to keep this plant going. If you have any questions, please put those in the comments below. I'll answer those, and if I can't answer them, hopefully with our growing community, someone else will be able to provide you the answers you seek. Thanks so much. Bye.